Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to import review on Shopify. So it's really easy thing to do. So let's first of all to import a review, unfortunately there's a not inbuilt application, but you can always go to the application and go to the apps and sales channel, click on Shopify App Store. Now here you can just look for import reviews, right? And you will get a lot of application here, but I have installed already one which I will show you. That is that is AliExpress review. So I can just import review from AliExpress as well as from the Amazon. So you can also use the same one. Just make sure you search the exactly name of this, and once you get installed you will able to open the app, right? For example, I will show you how to install. Let's say this is the application you want to install. Just go and click on install. You will be redirected to a new page, right? And here you have to again click on install here, and it will get installed in your Shopify store. And once get installed here, you can see there's a lot of reviews. So I have just imported a review. To import a review, you have to go to the manage review. Now just go and click on import review. So I have already entered a URL here, and I want to import 10 reviews from this product. I will just click on import. It will just take a few seconds, and you can see it has imported reviews. Now I can go to the manage reviews and I can manage all the reviews. I can delete, I can change the words, everything. I can change the image, I can add a new image. I have a full authority to manage all the reviews, right? And you can like the reviews and those reviews will show. You can always delete it. So this is how you can just import reviews in your Shopify. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.